What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm JJ, but you knew that because you're here watching my video. Instagram is Camry gapped ya. That also might be why you're here, car stuff. And that's exactly what we're doing today is car stuff. Just took a shower, I dripped a little water on my bed. That's what I was looking at, really confused. I was like, what? My buddy Andrew Sperano. He's coming today. He's gonna help me put my roof spoiler on and then switch out my headlight, light bulbs, and put my mud flaps on. So all the stuff that I kind of need extra hands with. I'm about to go do a quick run around after I eat breakfast, because you know what boys gotta eat. I'm gonna do a run around of all the cosmetic, like interior and a couple exterior things that me and, let me use correct grammar because my dad's an English teacher. The cosmetics that Lauren and I put on last night because we were bored, and I was like, I'm not gonna take up a whole video with this stuff. Like, it's just simple stuff. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. While my food is warming up, go ahead and show you some of the exterior cosmetics. Got the dogs out. You know we're a professional workforce. First off, took the chrome Toyota emblem off. Put the black one on. Then I thought it'd be cool, instead of having like a TRD badge or a LE badge or a fake TRD badge, Samurai edition. Yup. Story time. 3 weeks ago I got in a wreck in an intersection. I had the right of way, he did not. He had a yield turn and he came anyways. It was either I slow down, he hit the front, totaled my car, or I speed up, he hit the back and dent it. Well, that's what he did. And I was rocking with that for like a month until his insurance finally got in contact with him. Took him about 2 weeks to claim liability. And then car's been in the shop for 3 weeks. But now it's out. Can't even tell it's been in a wreck. Bada bing, bada boom. This bumper's coming off, so I'm putting the sport one on once I get it. Gonna be putting the roof spoiler on. It's gonna go all the way across like right here. And then eventually I'm gonna get a LED strip and put it under the roof spoiler, wired into my brake lights to have a higher up third brake light. It'll be cool. Other Samurai decal right here. These are both metal. They're pretty high quality. Lauren had the bright idea. It's like a hood ornament. So it's kind of clean. And then eventually this Toyota logo will get either switched out with the RGB one, so I can have it be white like LED while I'm driving, and then, you know, rainbow when I'm parked. Or I'm gonna cover it with some form of vinyl decal, maybe a tech logo. Added these rain guards on. Kind of nice. Thought they were gonna fall off while I was driving last night, and they didn't. They stayed on. So keep it from raining on it, and when you're driving, you can't really tell it's there, so it doesn't take away visibility. Right here, we got the red buttons. I dented these a little bit because I accidentally put them on the wrong windows. Realized they were supposed to go here. It's whatever, it's fixed now. My car smells like spray paint from the shop, but it's okay. Then I got a full set of these like pocket liners. And they line like every pocket, like every little pocket. And then in here, we got an organization tray, so you can have important stuff on top. Also comes with these pocket things. And then you can lift this up, and there's another pocket down there for the rest of the stuff that you don't necessarily need right away. Also got these red speaker outline trims for all 4 doors. So now we're gonna go back inside, eat some brekkie, and wait on Andrew Sperano to come. He says he's like 30 minutes away. I don't know. My hair is curly as hell right now. They might turn on me, feel like I don't need. I keep the best pedigree, but hell, I don't breed them. There's a lot of people scared of me, and I can't claim. They call me crazy so much, I think. Plot twist, before we do any of that, Andrew was like, you should get grenades for your stem valve caps. So we're going to AutoZone. That's where he got his. Story time about my valve cap. Money make a motherfucker hate me. Story time about my valve caps. So I had the, you know, OEM little plastic black ones on when I bought the car. First maintenance, they kept 2 of them. So I only had 2. So I was like, fuck. So I was like, let me get red ones. Because red, like I think black wheels with red tire pressure caps and then red lug nuts eventually. I think that'd be sick. Got the red tire pressure caps. Went for another maintenance. They kept 2 of them. I was like, what the fuck? And the other 2 like faded to orange. So I was just like, whatever. No tire pressure caps now. This is Andrew Sperano. That's how I literally, every time I've like said your name, since I've been like making the intro to this video, I've said Andrew Sperano.
10-minute draw, slide.
Funny story. We met at my birthday party in person, but I don't remember it because it was my birthday party and I was
fucked up.
I was intoxicated as hell. Woke up. No, I don't care. No, but we met because the next day I was like answering Snapchats and he had said send the Addy the night before, and I was like, bro, I'm so sorry, I didn't see this. And he goes, bro, we talked for like 30 minutes at your party, and I was just like, what the fuck? When did that happen? But ever since then, we've been hanging out and chilling. Did not find the grenades, but we found red ones, so it worked. Oh, I thought you were pointing at that Camry.
Yeah, I'm gonna go find that Camry.
No, I like the taillights on that here because they're like little demon horn looking things. Oh,
Let's see how I look.
oh, that's not bad.
You have a headlight? Oh.
That's another thing I'm installing soon is right in
The
the hydraulic ones.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are taking out the blinker bulb right here because when you turn on the car, when you unlock the car, it blinks orange or it stays on orange, and I hate that. So to give it that kind of XSE look without spending $2,000 on headlights, we got switchback bulbs. I'll leave a link for it in the description. What this is basically going to do is you put them in, and when you unlock the car, when you turn on the car, daytime running lights are no longer orange, they are white to match the headlights. And then when you put on your blinker, it goes white, orange, white, orange, white, orange. You know, it makes sense. I don't even know if I'm in the frame. Hold on, pause. I'm gonna watch the video. Nope, I'm recording right now.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, here's one guy. Look, right here.
Look, he got this out. No effort. All right, so we got the bulbs out. That's good enough.
One bulb, two bulb.
Two bulbs. You can see the little orange. So we're just gonna pop these bad boys out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I got it.
Did you squeeze?
Yeah.
Oh,
There
got
you
it.
go.
It's kind of scary.
Thank you for twisting in. Holy man, dude, they are tight as hell.
We're gonna test them before we put them in.
Yeah, no, but it's fine.
So you can take it back out if it's wrong.
I'd rather sheet in the headlight. But yeah, it's fine.
All right, we're gonna test it. I should have shown you guys a before and after, but oh well. All right, want to do hazards first?
Okay.
Mine's not blinking.
Nope.
You know how I can tell they're wrong?
Huh.
Because on my dash, they're freaking out. They're like blinking real fast. So they both need to be flipped around.
What the fuck did you just touch?
No, I keep getting shocked. Like every day I touch my car, I get shocked. I think the numbers need to be up. I think that's what they need to be doing. Holy dick muffins. You say holy dick muffins?
Yeah.
Why? It's in the hole. So why is it not turning? It would probably be easier if we had taken off this entire front.
Yeah.
Oh well. I'm not taking apart the car to do a light bulb. I feel like I'm just oh, got it. Nope. Did not. No, I got it in the hole and turned it.
Oh, there we go. Dude, I could not twist it.
Bro. Oh, I twisted the wrong way. I'm an idiot.
What do you mean?
I was twisting right instead of left. That way was how I got it undone, so I need to twist this way to get it done. But I feel like, does it not twist far?
No.
Mine connected in the groove. I was gonna turn on the car, but probably shouldn't while you're touching wires. Andrew's in a predicament.
Dude,
I'm not even sure what he's trying to do right now.
Pop it out.
Oh, you gotta twist the other way.
Pop it out, bro.
Okay. Wait, you need the whole thing to come out? Why does yours look different? Wait, what? Where's the headlight?
What do you mean? It's right here.
Oh. There's just all these.
Yeah, it's just like a very tight space.
They could not have made this any more accessible.
Yeah, no, literally.
Because you know what I was thinking about? We can't even take apart this because it's the frame of the car. I'm glad my engine was not on and running like for a while because this shit would be hot. I got that one. You just took it out. Yes, I have.
It wasn't screwed in.
It was. I had it screwed in.
You would have heard it.
I heard it.
No, it's a tight click.
So is this one just forever fucked now?
No. You just gotta untwist it. But you have smaller hands.
Which way am I twisting it though?
This way.
This way?
Yeah. So
that makes it more difficult.
that's yeah.
Damn, so that means if I ever switch out these headlights, this one would be a bitch.
Yeah.
That one's easy because it's right there. Bro, who puts a fucking water hose right here? I don't know what to do. And now my hands are all cut up.
We go under the car to put our hands through the engine. We're like, yeah, this is actually easy.
It's actually easier. So you need a jack, you need a lift, you need jack stands. You pull out these three components and then it's easier. See, this one's so easy to unclip.
Why?
Wait, hold on. Pause. Damn, I am bleeding. How the fuck? Yeah. Guys, I got a boo-boo. All right, on episode 366 of We Don't Know What the Fuck We're Doing. Wait, but so does it, so it's orange?
That's orange.
Hold on now.
White.
Yeah. So we just gotta get the other one.
Yeah, just gotta get it out, you know. Come on, babe.
You need a wrench?
No, like, it's turned, but, like, come out.
All right, plot twist. Pulling off the front part of the front bumper.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, turn this into a whole video.
Literally.
Just changing the lights.
So plot twist. We're taking a break from that. Well, I don't know what he's doing. We're waiting on Romain to come out, see if he can save the day, because we don't want to pull apart the front bumper. We don't know what we did. We're obviously professionals. So while we wait, we're gonna go ahead and get this roof spoiler put on so we can kill multiple birds with one stone. However that saying goes. So this corner will touch the edge. The curve does not exactly hit the curve.
So it goes on the glass?
Yeah, we're gonna put it at the edge of the glass. But the corner, like, try to make sure that this is on the edge of the glass. You said it broke?
Roll.
We got the roof spoiler put on. We have to take the headlight off to figure it out. We have to take the headlight out. Cute little neon green. This is an entire mess.
Alright, JJ. Here we go.
You got pink undies on?
I think they're black and pink.
They're black with pink hearts.
Yep.
Nice. Oh yeah, bada bing, bada boom. Got the mud flaps on. And the roof spoiler. This car is looking like something else now. Looking like a car. So the audio is probably gonna be shit because you're connected to my Apple CarPlay, but just using this reflection to my advantage. No headlights, normal headlights, all the daytime running lights, headlights on, brights on. Yup. So it gives it that kind of XSE look without giving the XSE look. Because that's $2,000 I didn't want to spend. It's a pretty solid idea.